dying to know is this guy actually ever going to turn left? Sorry fella, your left indicator's gone, mate.
Oh, sorry mate.
No worries, man.
It was once it seems vaguely tasteless now, actually, to refer to him as America's dad.
Oh, not bad.
Was up to, but that was the...
They persecuted Jesus and look what...
This allows it to go on a much grander scale.
It's gotten easier, I would say, because, I mean, there's no fixed stream you're doing it in, you're left to your own, of course, you have a time frame of 48 hours to get it done, and you pay someone, they're very skilled in it, and they would just do it for you. But past that as well, because your other caller was talking about getting a bad essay, and he paid for it.
Suppose I really got a
the
choice,
issue
have
is
I?
if you kind of submit that, the universities have their own plagiarism checkers, so once it
fucking
runs the
rude.
call,
Where are you
they
going
check
now?
the
You don't just come out of that lane.
all of these lines are now listed as plagiarism lines, so they're just reusing the same content and people are submitting it and getting caught over.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Based off that, he was this
Fuck's sake, come on!
What an absolute moron.
It is, as we've just reinforced that, and it's our responsibility as international cricketers to continue to try and keep doing things as we should do on the field. I've got my eyes trained on a screen that is broadcasting live from Sydney International.
That was pretty quick actually. I don't think he was doing the speed limit because I was doing 40, that's a 30 zone. Oops.
A spokesman for TGI Fridays says our team members are part of our Fridays family. I see. We believe they should be and are treated and paid fairly. And here's the point that he makes: out of a workforce of over 5,500 team members, less than 1%.
Fuck that up big time.
That's the reality, isn't it? Not a lot of people are signing up for this strike action.
Responded to the action that these workers took last year by offering contracts of employment.
Get off your phone, wake up!
The scam. Right. The TGI workers.
Look, Ma! Oh, look, Ma, no hands! Will he stop for the red light? No. No, he won't.
A Telegraph poll earlier this morning. It's definitely going to be closed for some time. And in Harold Wood, there are delays of about 15 minutes both ways on the A127 because of the roadworks.
This is LBC.
Oh yeah, you're a boss, aren't you?
Get the kettle on. Get ready for a warming, home-cooked meal.
Sluggish or knackered. There's now a limited
edition
Snickers that fits your needs.
Wish I could do that.
You're not you when you're hungry. 100,000s as well. But that's just my opinion. I wonder what you think. Would you be put off? Would you be put off giving to the charity if you found out that chief executive was earning 3 or 4?
You know 6 points, £200 fine, don't you? Being on your phone. Being on your phone while driving. Yeah. Because your engine's running, you're still technically driving. If there was a police... huh? Yep. If there was an officer behind you, he would have no hesitation in stopping you and arresting you.
The fatal stabbing of PC Keith Palmer in Westminster, but fled the scene because no one in his vehicle had protective equipment nor a radio.
4 hours and a dedicated account manager. There's no waiting around. So
lazy bastard.
Thousands of businesses who have taken out a funding circle loan.
How wide are you taking this corner? Pretty sure not the best place to overtake. Oh, alright. What are you doing? What's that beamer going? That's not a lane. Dickhead. Whoops. That's going to get really bad when the congestion starts. What's this Wally doing? What a twat!